What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Want to dress up your valve stems? I don't know if you've ever wanted to do that yourself, but I decided to do it. And the reason is not so much the vanity, although I'm pretty vain. Oh, you're so vain. You probably think this video is about you. But one of the things about my Maserati is that it's so old, there is no TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. And so the prior owner actually had these little valve stems that show like red, green, or yellow, depending on how much pressure is. But they were really big. They kind of stick out. They do work. But I was like, I don't really care about that. I wanted something a little sleeker, something smaller, and not so kind of colorful and that stood out. So I ordered these, and I picked them up on Amazon, and I will tell you what, you know, the picture that they showed was pretty zoomed in, and so you have kind of an idea of what they look like, but man, they're really small in person. And I'm just going to get in on that for you here because they're pretty small, but they're, I guess, you know, I'm assuming maybe they're stainless steel. You can see they have the little Maserati logo there. We call it the badge, the enamel badge with the trident. And they look kind of nice. They're like white under an enamel cap. They're not enamel themselves, or not enamel. Why did I say that? Like an acrylic maybe cap. But they don't look like enamel. They just look like little tiny graphics printed under there. But if you want to show off the brand on the valve stems, you can do that. So let's put them on the car. Wow, look at that. Just transforms the car. I mean, is that even the same car? I guess so. Pretty amazing. So if you want to pick up a set of these, oh, you want to see them up close. There they are, right there on the valve stem. Yeah, man. Pretty cool. All right, maybe a little anticlimactic, but if you want to pick these up, you can get a set of 4 of these for all 4 tires for only 10 bucks, and you can probably get them in pretty much any logo that you want. So I'm happy with them. Got rid of those crazy looking tire pressure ones. Check them out. Peter Von Panda, out.